Okay, so if you guys are new here, welcome. My name is Monica. I'm the owner of Manuel Pura. In today's video, we're going to be making this Blue Tansy barrier repair face cream for sensitive skin using Ucuuba Butter. And this recipe, I just literally wrote it up today and I decided let me make it for you guys. I hope you guys enjoy it. Let's jump right on into how I make this gorgeous face cream for sensitive skin. So let's make a face cream for sensitive skin. So this is a barrier face cream for sensitive skin using Ucuuba Butter. So let's start off with our wax. So we're using emulsifying wax and we need this at 1.5 grams. And this is the butter we're using, is Ucuuba Butter, and this is the color of it, very brown. And we also need 1.5 grams of this. We're making a 30 grams batch of this. And then we're using meadow foam seed oil at 11%, so we need 3.3 grams. Okay, so we've set that to the side and we're going to melt these two phases together. So let's start with our distilled water. We need 22 grams. Then glycerin, we need 1.2 grams. I'm going to take this out, zero the scale, and place this on 77. Okay, so we're going to melt these two phases together, come back, and then we'll combine. Okay, so here are both of our phases. And then we're going to add our water phase to our oil phase. Then with our sanitized immersion blender, we're going to blend this for about 30 seconds. Okay, so of course, to speed up the cooling process, we're going to place this in a water bath. It's foamed up a little bit, but hopefully the bubble should settle down in time, and maybe as it's starting to solidify as well, the bubble will settle. The temperature is dropping. I'm gonna set this to the side and just keep mixing. It's starting to come together nicely. It's not as brown as I expected it to be actually. The color is quite nice and the texture as well is really nice. Okay, so let's check the temperature. Definitely it's dropped below 40, so let's add the rest of our ingredients. Let's start with our vitamin E. We need it at 0.15 grams. Our preservative, we need it at 0.3 grams. And then our fragrance, we use the Blue Tansy, and this will change the color slightly as well, and we need it at 0.3 grams. You don't really need that much of it, just 0.3 grams, and that is all you need. Let's mix and make sure it's all combined. Awesome. And I think it's time to place this into our container. Let me just go sanitize the container and I'll come back. Here we are. Let's zoom in. Perfect. So here is your barrier repair cream for sensitive skin. And if your skin is super sensitive, you can stay away from the essential oil or fragrance oil. You don't have to use it. You can skip that step. Then just add that percentage to your water.